Hi guys, it's Sophie. Welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to be creating this dark smoky eye with this beautiful blue glitter all over the lid. So first thing I'm doing is applying my Tarte Shape Tape on my eyes, blended it out with a damp sponge, set it with some translucent powder, and then I just applied my Makeupforever Starlit Powder number 13 on my brow bone. Today I'm going to be using this palette by The Balm Cosmetics. And first I just went in with this very light gray cool tone transition shade, and I'm just buffing that into the crease. Then I'm going into this dark purple color, and I'm going to be starting to add definition into the crease. So I'm just going in left and right motions with this very defined angled brush. Then I'm just going to be buffing it out with a fluffy brush. First I applied some of the light gray color to really buff out that line, and then slowly I applied a little bit of that dark purple color to really diffuse that line. And now I'm just applying my Tarte Claypot in the color Unicorn Kisses, and I'm just applying this down so that I really get a nice crisp line of the lid. Then I went in with this color right here from the Too Faced Clover palette, and this right here was just beautiful. I was contemplating not even applying glitter just because of how gorgeous this shadow is, but I decided to go ahead and add glitter on top. This is my favorite glitter of all time. I always get compliments on this glitter whenever I wear it. People always ask me what glitter I'm wearing. This is the Makeupforever number 15 glitter. And then I'm going to be adding more dimension in the crease, so I picked up that dark purple shade, and I literally just drew a line around that lid space. And then I grabbed a smaller brush and further diffused that line. Then I picked up The Balm Cosmetics Schwing liner, and I just lined my top lash line. And then for today's look, I'm using my Shop Sofie Bella lashes in the style Jamaica, which is also one of my favorites. And I'm just going to be showing you guys the lashes here. If you guys are interested in purchasing these lashes, the link to buy these lashes is always in the description box down below. These are like the only lashes that I wear. It's me and my twin sister's brand, so I'll leave the link to that down below, but I'm just applying them here. And then after I apply my lashes, I always apply my Makeupforever Aqua XL black eye pencil in my waterline. And then I'm applying more of the lighter cool tone shade on my lower lash line, and then I'm following up with the darker purple shade from the same palette that I used in my crease, and then my Tarte Lash Paint Mascara on my lower lashes, and my Makeupforever Starlit Powder number 13 in my inner tear duct. That's the finished eye look. If you guys want to see the full face look that I paired, then go ahead and keep on watching. So first I'm going in with this Dr. BRANDT Luminizer Primer, and I'm just buffing that into the skin. And as you guys can see, I'm like really breaking out right now. So I'm going to show you guys how I attempted to cover those breakouts. But first I'm going in with this CC Cream by IT Cosmetics. First I went in with the color Tan, and I don't know, it looked a little bit too dark. Now that I'm looking at it here, it doesn't look that dark, but I decided to mix some of the Esteelauder Double Wear foundation with that foundation, so I did mix those two foundations together. I picked up this Laura Geller color correcting like little stack, and I decided to try color correcting on my troubled area. So I applied the salmon color under my eye bags, and I applied the green color on my breakouts. And then I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Deep to cream contour the perimeters of my face. So I just quickly applied this on my cheekbones. I'm going to be applying this on my nose, a little bit on my forehead, a little bit under my lower lip. And I did get some of this product in my hair by accident, but I'm going to be buffing this out with my kabuki brush that had a little bit of excess foundation on it, and it really brought some warmth to the perimeters of my face. And then I picked up my Tarte Shape Tape and my Makeupforever Ultra HD Concealer, and I did put that where I normally apply my concealer, so under my eyes, on my nose, on my forehead, a little bit on my cupid's bow, a little bit on my chin. And I set that all in place with my Maybelline oil-free loose powder. I let it sit for a second and then I wipe away that powder right away, and I use the excess powder to set the rest of my face. With the damp sponge, I went in with the Anastasia Liquid Glow in the color Perla, and I just applied that to the high points of my face, and right over top of that I went in with my Makeupforever highlighter. I'll leave the details of that name in the description box down below. For contouring, I used my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer to add extra warmth to the face. And then I'm just lining my lips with this Makeupforever pencil. And for lipstick today, I'm going in with my MAC Creme de Nude lipstick. And this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to support our channel. Comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!